This video will show you how to replace the batteries on your door lock. To get started, make sure you have 4 new AA batteries and a Phillips head screwdriver. First, on the inside of your door, examine the window on the lock to see if it's locked into place. If it's unlocked, you should be able to slide it off. If it's locked into place, remove the screws on either side and from the bottom of the lock. Then, slide off the cover. Remove the battery pack from inside the lock. Remove the 4 old AA batteries. And replace them with the 4 new AA batteries. Be sure to follow polarity guidelines. Reverse these steps to replace the battery pack and slide the window back on. If necessary, screw the lock cover back into place. Next, test the lock using the manual controls on the lock. Finally, verify that the lock can be locked and unlocked through the mobile app.